Batuk the bear lived in a beautiful forest with his best friend, a magical unicorn named Bubbles. One day, they heard loud machines cutting down trees. The animals were scared as the forest began disappearing. Batuk knew they had to act. Along with Bubbles, he spoke to the humans and explained how trees give clean air, homes to animals, and balance to nature. Bubbles used her magic to show visions of a green, healthy future forest. Touched by their message, the humans stopped cutting trees and promised to plant more instead. Together, Batuk and Bubbles helped plant new saplings, bringing life back to the forest. The animals cheered, and the forest felt alive again. Morale: protecting nature today saves life for tomorrow. Please subscribe.